Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Nissan Altima 2.5 SL. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.